Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, May 9th, 2019. So a bunch of stocks are hitting key levels today. Let's go over them. Number one, 3M. Take a look at the pivot point. Look at the oversold nature on this stock. This stock is due for a quick bounce, meaning a multi-day swing trade environment bounce. Basically, I'm looking for a snapback to probably about 185. There's a gap fill right here just above 185. That's my guess of where it's going to snap back to. It's basically worth $10 to us for those of us playing this on the long side as a swing trade. I did add some below, just below 175 today, up a little bit on the trade thus far. But again, looking for some good action here to the upside in a bounce play on 3M. There are lots of other stocks making big moves today. Take a look at Intel. Intel did tag a major level today. I did pick up some call options at the low of the day. This is a level we were looking for it as a day trade as well, but we had our order just below 46. It only went to 46.05. But again, I did pick up some call options on this, and it's looking very good as well. So there's a lot out there, folks. I picked up some FXI calls today. We bought at 80 cents on the August 44s, and they're already at 94 cents. And again, this was a beautiful choreographed trade. So if you look at the FXI, it's had a huge bounce. But early in the day, before the FXI was even starting to bounce, Alibaba, started to rally off the lows. I saw that NEO was flat to positive on the day. I saw that other Chinese stocks were already rallying, and it's very counterintuitive at that point, right? The average person would be like, "Oh, trade war, tariffs getting hiked potentially tonight. You know, this is going to be bad for Chinese stocks." But as soon as I saw them rallying, I said to the chat room, and I picked it up via the options alerts. I said, "We got to get involved here. This is telling us that they might not go into effect." And ultimately, again, we're already up like almost 20% on this trade on the options front. So, I mean, that's what's so awesome about it. If you're able to really look at the intraday action and you see these disparities that kind of go against common sense, then it tells you that something's going to change, and that's ultimately what happened here. So, really nice action there, folks. Markets, again, are off their lows after Trump kind of calmed fears a little bit today. Remember, he focuses on the market. So, if the market's tanking, he's going to do everything he can to lift the markets off the lows. We'll see, again, if it holds. To be honest, I don't know if he's going to put the tariffs in tonight or not. But again, I've positioned us beautifully in the research center and in the options alerts. We have a bunch of puts out there that are in the money, but we did take some off the table. For instance, I sold VXX over 33 today. It's back to 31. We took profits on a bunch of other stuff as well. SMH, we were short SMH, took profits on that. So, I mean, these are just different things that were smart to take some off the table. And I did pick up, as I said, 3M on the long side because it's so beaten down. But at the same time, we still have some exposure to the short side in certain things, but also getting a couple things on the long side. So again, this is what the beautiful thing about swing trading is. We can maneuver and profit in any market environment. And this is the best market environment out there, which is volatility. You give me volatility, I can make money all day long, basically with my eyes closed, peeking at the charts. Or basically, that's all we got to do here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right. So that's where we currently sit, folks. Again, market's just slightly lower on the day. We'll see where we close. Oil's fractionally lower. The Bitcoin ETN, GBTC, continues to rally up. This is a breakout on that. It continues to move higher. We continue to hold it. We are in the money beautifully on this in the research center as well. I've been pounding the table. You guys have probably heard me in these videos too. I've pounding for 6 months. When we were trading in the 3,500 range on Bitcoin, I was buying two hands and feet. I mean, I was just buying everything I could. You know, adding every single week, every single month, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum. And the point being is that the writing on the wall is there. It was telling us, the chart was telling us a rally was coming. Everything was telling us, and we are seeing that rally continuing. If you think about it again, Bitcoin, I think, got as low as like 3,200, and it's now back to 6,000 plus. So, there is some resistance up here just above 6,000. I want to be clear on that. But ultimately, it's going much, much higher. You'll see 10,000 probably before year end on this. And again, it's just a great trading opportunity. Great trading opportunity. It is the future. Cryptocurrencies are the future. I do think at some point countries will try to launch cryptocurrencies to kind of compete. But ultimately, I think Bitcoin will be the standout that will continue to be like the gold of the future. Okay, and again, it will be adopted. More and more companies are now accepting Bitcoin and so forth. So, anyways, we'll see where it all plays out. But, guys, bottom line is take the 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I mean, that's where it's at. You want to get involved. Members this week alone who joined the 7-day free trial, they've already made enough to pay for the year of the service and then some in basically a couple days this week. So, it is here. get involved. The money in this market environment is when you want to be involved the most with swing trading. It's the big moves. You get literally 5-10% gains a day. Join up. You'll see what it is. Take a good rest of your day there. Enjoy. I will talk to you soon. Take care.